Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to the channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Well, all me can tell no people on the law, man and woman business alone. As you can see, what trend now on TikTok is Rosalee agi hints say she actually want back Jakes. You get me? She used the term co-parenting, which we all know what co-parenting mean. However, that the actions of Rosalee no sound co-parenting to me. Because why Jakes and Diamond upon life and Rosalee out of nowhere send Jakes lion just for, for make Diamond feel bad. And in turn, GX now, which, GX look like he have some little soft spot left for Rosalee, in which many people are saying, oh, that shouldn't happen because Rosalee disrespect GX the wickedest way online. But GX could have only say, why Akeem wifey thanks, which, Rosalee name so and thing. So majority of the influencers them like Shay them, Ivan them upset with Jakes because them a say, yo, no brother, that no look good. The way all Rose deal with you online in front of thousands of people, you shouldn't just did it take it so simple, you get me? Them say, alright, accept the gift and then go tell her off, you see it? Which, to each his own. But here what we want to talk about now. GX supporters them actually upset with him. Now, if you make your supporters them vex with them, say this all support cut off. So that everybody now start say, yo, them regret sending GX gifts. As a matter of fact, if GX could have sent back in gift them, they would have appreciate it. Now, me know this would have cause a problem because obviously GX garnered fans because them did eat Rose. So if Jakes and Rose are try to work out something amicable for the kids them, the fans them a say, yo, nah. Jakes fans them a say, nah. We are support you so you can support your kids. You get me I say? We not do this so you and Rose can go under the same roof as soon as you deck off. They don't want that. You see me? So Jakes need to know what him do because as me say, if he go back to Rose, the support I go cut off, the people them go upset. You see it? But based on what Jakes say, yo, and nothing like that, me now go back to Rose, me now want back Rose. You see it? But we are trying to work out a way where we can co-parent for the kids them to say, yo, mommy and daddy have a good relationship. So them pretty much want to do some PR for clean up the internet. But we all know about digital footprint, you see it? So yeah, me I play a video with some of the fans them upset. Some of Jakes supporters them sorry them send Jakes gifts and thing and look good pan Jakes. But Jakes need to know what he want to do, you see me, because he's a man of his own mind, so anything he want to do, it's up to him, you see me. So watch and tell me one thing.
No bridge with her. No bridge.
Hello. So let me ask one question, a silly question. A silly question. Because they keep me behind back everything.
Mute Lati. Lati, you have to mute. Shabba not a noise in the background.
My head hurt me.
Me know you feel it. I know.
Uno calling and talking to me because where Jakes do today, it really get me from
me say Jakes have to send back the lion or the bear or the tiger, but publicly. He have to send it back
nobody no give Jakes none at all.
Remember, say other day, after what they do it, after what they must send go on Shibada, like go give Shibada, and Shibada this send it back, come give me,
Yeah.
I'm trying to do from what they and not Jakes alone in this one, I'm trying to want and he shoot for somebody else behind them back to, and so she the hide and do. And so she the hide and do the Jakes.
She buy back friend. She buy friend.
Nobody no want no friend from him. And nobody no want nobody no want. Look here, hey, if you own disgrace Jakes and Jakes have to wash him blood up drug. When me and Rosalee say when me and Rosalee said 3 days after a baby Jakes come bite out me French.
Go home. Good evening, everyone. You want to stay here? Give me some of that.
Hold on, people, hold on. Make the live control over. Clean skin, do you have something?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, good evening.
No, because her mic is on. She
I don't want
You got to take her down. We take her down. Clean skin, go on.
She's busy.
She's busy. Good evening, guys. First time on your platform.
Yes.
I am one of Jake's supporter, and I'm upset. I'm mad.
All right.
And you said Jake's and Rosalee. Trust me, me not go over there again.
Okay.
I'm not going over there.
Man.
Let me tell you something. Rosalie do all of these things to Jakes, and what upset me when Ivani attacked to remember saying when Rosalie shoot against Jakes, Ivani come off her live and go shoot with Jakes, make Jakes go number one, and this will make a year Jakes cut off Ivani and I say she chat too much.
No,
Come
Ivani
on,
jump.
Yes,
No,
that what
Ivani
he
jump. Ivani
Ivan is
jump.
very upset. Ivan is very
No,
upset.
but Ivani upset. Ivani jump. He never, him cut off Ivani. Ivani jump.
Well,
no
Ivan was
man,
going to
cut
cheer
her
you
off
up because she
again, man.
disrespect him.
Because she add back to him, and
Okay,
he cut
maybe not.
her off.
I
So
don't know,
she
but
chat too
sorry
much.
about that one then. Sorry.
Ivan
You
is going
understand
to
me?
disrespect
And
you up.
this,
Yeah,
let me tell you something.
allow her
This
to
all,
talk now. Allow Clean to talk. Talk Clean. Give her a
yeah,
chance.
this only let me feel like everything. If Jakes really go back to Rosalie, everything where Rosalie talk about Jakes is truth.
too.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
that's how we feel.
that's how we feel.
Oh, no,
Because
don't.
come on, man, that woman are gonna live attack all those things, but she do three, so ma'am, what drop out her veggie going in your mouth, and you're gonna go back to that person,
Also,
eh?
Jake no sense.
Jaja, me lose her for
Remember say,
brother.
Rosalie
Everybody
can't
lose
get.
that
Remember say
feeling.
Rosalie time up all behind me. No, see, if you see with him mind, him blind.
Oh,
But
best foolishness, Jar. That's nonsense.
me that watch him pan live a while ago, and him a lose all of he support of them.
Yes, yeah,
Him score now go
yeah.
up
He score
again.
gone down.
Good.
Yeah,
Oh.
till him have to say him want sleep. I will know that sleep him want sleep.
He
Remember now?
score drop. When him and Diamond the pan the live, he had 2,000 and something. And when Diamond jump, he come down to 800 and add.
800. And
Why me feel upset? Me not tell a lie.
But he lose respect for
Upset
Jakes.
bad. And me as a person when you used to
Me
class
ignorant bad. Me
used to
ignorant.
class the
Why
people
me
there for
tell
Jakes,
you?
Me say, I never asked you to do it, but me cuss, And when me see him get the line, me say, all right, no problem. And then when me see him diss the people, them, and I talk about
you
him, I
know
go
what
black
hurt me?
them. Hey,
When
don't let
Liam
me
say,
pass
I'm a
it,
baby mother. Come on, man.
Clean. Make
Me
Nico
baby
talk.
mother.
One at a time.
Listen,
One
I
at a
don't
time.
want
Make Nico
class
talk.
kids, because when me go over to them, I see the boy get the line, I say, all right, no problem. But when me hear the man, the ungrateful man, I can talk about, nobody nobody no say nothing bad about Rose. Nobody no say make a black here, man. Me say move your ass. Nobody no give Jakes no lion, no donkey, no car,
No, that's
no
all.
post until he give back the blood clot money. And if you're with me, say yes.
Yes, me
Yes,
agree if he give back the
Yes.
money. Me
yes.
agree if he give back the money. He's supposed to
Me
give
give
it
too.
back.
Yes.
Yes. Me
Yes.
stand
And he
by
must
your
block her
thousand.
on
Me
TikTok. He
stand by you.
must
If
block
you give back the
her. So
money.
she don't get no more. And he must stay away from her.
Yeah?
He
And
must stay away.
What
as
is
she
what
could,
did you say?
as you could remember when the friend of
Everybody
England
copy
say
this.
she must find somebody to analyze him.
Yes.
All
Yeah,
those things.
Yes.
Lord Jesus
Remember that?
Christ.
I remember that. Huh? And
How can you
everybody a check.
take a gift from somebody who under?
Yesterday morning, I woke up and I sent my baby father a lion, and it caused a commotion on the net. Now, social media, let me tell you this, and haters. This is about the kids. This is not about me, and this is not about him. This is about the kids, co-parenting, and their well-being. Me and my baby father is not together. He has moved on, so am I. Moving on and doing co-parenting, we can do that. Don't judge. It's a baby mother and a baby father thing where most of us all, I don't want to say, I don't want to be, I'm not going to shout, but most of all, some of we experience these things. Yeah, baby father not there, you will cuss him out, he will cuss you out, and all of this and all of that. We're not going to cuss him. We're not cuss him, fam. Me and Jake said it. Jake's move on and have him woman and me move on and have my man. But we are parents. Jake's woman have to understand that and my man have to understand that. We are parents and we are trying to live good together so we can bring up forth our kids. What is wrong with you people? What is wrong with some of you people on social media? What is the big fucking issue? Sorry. What is the issue? You're all acting like we're monsters. He have said things in the past, so did I. Or I have said things in the past, so did he. But let me tell you this, what I get to analyze and get to understand. You see, if some of you try to control people. If you, like me, Rosalee, you would respect my decision. If you like Jake's, you would respect Jake's decision. It's not about us being together. It's about the kids. Some of you all know the situation with me and the government. It's there with it, and some of you all know the issues between me and the government, and you guys know the story. If I can help Jake's in any way, and it's better.